to our video on air science experiments. Today, it depends. I'm not feeling very well. Rosie had a very busy day yesterday, so we're hoping to get some stuff done. We're planning on playing in the garden a lot because it is really sunny outside. It's not warm, but it's sunny. So our first thing we're going to do, if I can get Rosie interested in, is we're going to have paper races. I can't remember, I don't know if it's that way right around or what, but basically you flap at a piece of paper and it jumps. And we're going to have a race down the room to see who can go first, to see, so she gets to see the air. We're also today going to see what falls quicker, so like a piece of paper or a stone, a feather or a cup, paper cup sort of thing, that sort of thing. And then we're also going to see today what blows in the wind, but there's not much wind out there, so it might not work today, that experiment. We might have to blow on it and see if we can blow it. And if I can find it and I got the energy, we may even go down to the wreck to see if we can fly our kite, but that obviously depends on how much wind is out there. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can get her to join me in this experiment. I'm not going to be able to film flapping at this because I'm going to have to be flapping too. So yeah, go in. Mine's going. And I'm further away. You've got to blow harder, Bab. The burps weren't working very well, so we'll try and have breath. Blow hard, Babby. Don't spit at the paper, actually blow. As if you were blow up candles. Mummy's winning. Yeah, I can't hold her attention today. She's just not. Do you reckon Mummy can blow the scrumple piece of paper? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay, let's have a go. Oh, look, I moved it. It's over there now. What about the coin, though? Do you reckon I can blow the coin? Leave it there. Mummy, try and blow it, okay? Did it go? No, it didn't, did it? Because it's heavier. Obviously, it depends on how strong the wind is where you are. We've got a really, I don't know if you can see, a really, really blue sky today with no clouds. And just a heads up, our next topic is going to be the sky. We're going to do day and night and do the sky. We're not doing space. That'll be a different topic. We're just going to do the sky. So what's up there in the daytime, what flies, that kind of thing. What's up there in the nighttime. Nocturnal animals and stuff. We've got bats in our tree in the garden. So Rosie's going to be able to stay up a little bit late one night and go and watch the bats.
Where's the bats?
In our tree.
Where?
Well, you can't see them now, it's daylight. You can stay up late one night during that project and see the bats, Babs. See, I'm trying to get interested in wind stuff, but she's enjoying her coins right now. So I'm going to try and get her in the garden at least. Boop.
Are they?
Rosie's creating her own science experiment. Do the coins have enough friction on my arm to stop them from sliding down and off it? What if I put my arm flat? Put them on them now. She's telling me she wants to go to school, but only if it's my school. But she really wants to go to school, and she really wants to go to my school. So if she doesn't get into my school... Are they sliding anywhere now? No, it's because they're flat. Oh, that one slid off, though. What if I go... Oh, 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 oh! There's not enough friction to keep them on. There was then, because my shirt keeps going. So morning, everyone. We are making our windmills. It's going to be hard to do with. So, it says, put that over there. Can you do that for me?
Yeah, I shall.
Let's insert the plastic straw into the axle as shown in the diagram. So this is just a kit from Home Bargains that we're going to make, and then we'll show you when it's finished. Well, look at the wash in a minute, Bab. Which way's the washing swaying? Okay, so hold it up. I don't think there's enough wind today. We might have to try it another day. Let me see if she can catch the wind. There's not enough wind today, baby. Try and show them another day. She's making quite the noises, pulling up some weeds for me. You. Go on then, keep pulling. Keep pulling. Just trying to help. She's going to get bored in a minute, but... You're helping with some gardening, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Go on. Well, you can keep the daisies if you want. Do you want to keep the daisies?
No.
No? Well, okay. Rosie is now doing some nature science because she is looking under stones in the back garden for any bugs that might be living there. See what homes they live in.
Can we see that big stone over there?
You want my help, do you, with the big stone? Oh, what are we seeing under there?
More woodlouse.
We are. They're very quick though, aren't they? They're very quick to bury themselves again. And there's some under the stone as well. What we have in our back garden, if you haven't been following us from the start, is we rent, so we can't do an awful lot, but we have this little area of the garden where part of the shed wasn't taken away when you knocked the shed down, the landlord. We kept a lot of the stones, and we let this little bit overgrow so that Rosie can see what bugs like to grow their homes here and stuff. And sometimes, because we've got lots of... One second, Babs. Sometimes when we look in the ivy, we find chrysalises have butterflies and stuff. So this is our like our little
Mum,
nature bit
let's
of the
have a
garden.
look at it.
Feel the wind in your hair, baby.
Can.
It's a funny odd day today. It's so calm, and then all of a sudden the wind will just blow, and then it'll just calm.
Don't blow away, everybody.
Beautiful blue sky, lovely sunny warm day. Come on, Barbie, I can't see the wind moving your hair. You're not going quick enough.
Quick to you.
Your back wheel's stuck in a dip again. Our ground isn't very good for scooting or triking. Our pavements are terrible. Yeah, it's going to be a long walk to the park. I hope you enjoyed our video on wind. We ended up doing mostly nature science today, really, because we were in the garden all morning and Rosie discovered an aphid inside her playhouse. So she spent quite a while talking to the little bug. She was hunting for spiders. She saw a lot of woodlice. But our wind experiments, the wind didn't really pick up until just after midday, so it was kind of really awkward because she'd lost interest in a lot of things by then, and then she wanted to go to the park. So yeah, our wind things are basically what I said earlier, but couldn't quite entice her to want to do much of. So at least you can use our ideas, even if we didn't get round to doing many of them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. And it's ta-ta from me and ta-ta from the Rosie Bear.